Welcome back. The deadlock continues over the Champions Trophy 2025 between the ICC and the PCB as the International Cricket Council's executive board could not achieve a consensus on the Champions Trophy schedule. The meeting was brief after the Pakistan Cricket Board chief Mohsin Naqvi made it clear that the hybrid model would not be acceptable, despite India's firm refusal to travel to his country owing to a lack of government clearance. However, all member boards agree to India's point of the hybrid model. Pakistan has been left with just two options. Either they accept this hybrid option or the Champions Trophy will be moved out of Pakistan. If the tournament is adjourned, the PCB will have to forego their hosting fee of $6 million along with gate revenue.
The first day of the ICC meeting has gotten over, and what we are learning is that all member boards were present there. There were suggestions that were discussed, but no plausible solution could be found on the 29th of November when the ICC meeting took place, and it has now been adjourned to the 30th of November. In fact, what we are also learning from our sources is that the Pakistan Cricket Board is once again firm on its stance of no to hybrid model, and that is also one of the reasons why the ICC meeting has now gone into its day 2, and it will be held on the 30th of November in Dubai. So very, very important that the first day of the ICC meeting was adjourned. There was a discussion. Everyone was hoping that there would be some clarity as far as the Champions Trophy was concerned, but now the suspense will continue till the 30th of November when the second day of the ICC meeting will take place, which Mohsin Naqvi is very, very likely to attend in person as well. Remember, like I said, PCB has again reiterated its stance of no to hybrid model.